just considering the kind of the role of mirror neurons and empathy in bullying. Mirror neurons are specialized brain cells that fire when we both perform an action and when we observe someone else performing the same action. And they're thought to be crucial for um, imitation, for learning, and critically for experiencing empathy, especially allowing us to feel what another person is feeling. And in cases of bullying, there can be significant empathy gap. So while some individuals may simply lack a fully developed or active mirror neuron system for empathy, others, particularly those with certain personality traits, may deliberately suppress their empathetic responses, which can lead to a failure to understand or even care about the negative impact of their actions on others. And that, again, contributing to that persistent nature of bullying behaviour. While the effects of bullying on the brain can be severe, neuroplasticity of the brain can offer us hope. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to form new neural connections, and that goes on throughout our whole life until the day that we die, meaning that the brain is not fixed. It can adapt and change in response to new experiences, learning, and interventions. So, for individuals who have experienced bullying, therapeutic interventions, supportive environments, mindfulness practice can all help to rewire the brain to help to start to foster resilience, to reduce their stress responses, and kind of restore a sense of safety. For those who are actually doing the bullying, though, neuroplasticity suggests that with conscious effort, higher levels of self-awareness and appropriate training, it's actually possible to develop greater empathy. We know now from neuroscience that empathy is something that we can develop. And only this morning, we're actually on my Neuro Nerds call, we're actually talking about a study which involved males who had got a history of violence towards their partner. And these males were brought together and underwent this study where they had to do everything with their non-dominant hand for 1 week. And that was literally everything. They could not use their dominant hand for anything at all. So brushing their teeth, writing, eating, everything had to be done with their non-dominant hand. And at the end of the week, what they noticed was there was a marked increase in the density of the grey matter, which controlled their ability for self-regulation. They'd actually strengthened just within the space of a week. There was noticeable strengthening of the neural network for self-regulation in just 1 week. Now, you imagine the implications that this could have in real life. If people who were bullies because of a weakened self-regulation or lack of self-regulation, we could actually change that. We could help them develop a stronger self-regulation network.